In this lesson, we will see together indefinite demonstrative pronouns, but more precisely, we'll see the pronoun ceci. So, what are the indefinite demonstrative pronouns? We'll do it fast, but then they are pronouns that point to something without specifying it precisely. And the fact that they are not specified explicitly allows for a degree of ambiguity or generality. In this lesson, we will concentrate on ceci. And the indefinite demonstrative pronoun ceci is translated to this in English. So you will see that it's used quite often. And we'll have 4 examples. Elle montre ceci à ses amis. Elle montre ceci à ses amis. Nous devons discuter de ceci plus tard. Nous devons discuter de ceci plus tard. Il ne comprend pas ceci. Il ne comprend pas ceci. Pouvez-vous expliquer ceci en détail? Pouvez-vous expliquer ceci en détail?